Hello everyone. Do you know that Meta AI can revolutionize your message experience on WhatsApp, making it smarter and more efficient than ever? Sound intriguing, right? I mean, we all get bombarded with messages, and it can be super challenging to keep track on important information. What exactly is Meta AI on WhatsApp? Well, Meta recently integrated its AI assistants into WhatsApp and makes your conversation more dynamic. Whether you need help drafting message, asking general questions, or getting smart suggestions, this AI will help you. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get Meta AI on my WhatsApp? The process is super simple. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Ensure your WhatsApp is updated. First up, you want to make sure that your WhatsApp is updated on the latest version. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and check if there is an update available. Keeping it up to date ensures that you get the access to the latest feature. Step 2. Enable Meta AI. Once your WhatsApp is updated, the Meta AI should be enabled automatically. Step 3. To start using Meta AI, simply open your chat tab, attach the icon, and you will see a Meta AI option. Once you click on it, you can start interacting with AI for suggestion, replies, and even settings reminder. And that is it. You are all set to enjoy Meta AI on WhatsApp. Imagine how much easier it's going to be to manage your chat, plan your day, and get instant response to your questions. It's truly a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future tips and tricks. See you next time.